cricketer Chris Gayle has won his defamation case against Fairfax Media. The West Indies star sued after a series of news articles claimed he had exposed himself to a female masseuse. Gayle spoke outside court saying the jury made the right decision and he'll always fight to defend his name.
So peeps, you realize up to this point I have not said anything on the defamation suit that Chris Gayle was pursuing against Oceania media giants Fairfax, which is based in Australia and New Zealand. Up to now, you understand what I say? Because from the thing come up, I realize this was a direct attempt from Fairfax Media at trying to discredit and to probably destroy Chris Gayle. And you know where this come from? This is coming from the baby don't blush situation. I am sure they felt like they did not get enough and this was a malicious attempt, and the court saw right through it, you understand? So that claim by Leanne Russell, the masseuse, that Gayle exposed himself and she saw the top part of Gayle's penis and she was traumatized and devastated and couldn't eat crap.
What's your reaction?
Well, I'm happy with the decision the jury's made. They have actually made the right decision. I came this far all the way from Jamaica to actually defend myself, defend my name and my character as well. And at the end of the day, I'm very, very happy to actually come to a close now. But regardless of what life was always going to, life was always going to go on for me. But I'm very thankful that what happened. I just want to thank the legal team. They did a great job and it was really, really fantastic.
In court,
I haven't discussed that yet.
In court, you spoke about being heartbroken. That was in court. Just what sort of impact has this whole affair had on you?
Yeah, it was very emotional for me to be criticized in such a manner. And I'm glad the public actually get a chance. This was the first time I've actually been in a court as well. And I'm glad the public actually get a chance to actually read into things and you can hear what actually transpired in the courtroom as well. But at the end of the day, it actually revealed itself. And like I said, very thankful. I will just carry on with my normal life and just get back on the field.
Because the verdict was clear cut. The verdict was clear cut. You did not expose yourself.
Yes, that was a triple century. No. It's actually a 3 triples.
Fairfax is talking about making an appeal. Will you come back again, Chris, and fight again if that's the case?
Chris is a fighter. He will always fight.
Was this better than scoring a ton?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah. This is a serious thing, and these things do happen around the world. For sports people as well. But like I said, whatever any particular person, whether it's from the man or woman perspective, if they believe in their right and they have done something wrong, they should always fight for their rights, stand for what they believe in. These things do happen.
You said you've been dropped in some ways from the Big Bash League because of these allegations. Do you want now to come back and play for the Big Bash?
That would be up to you, journalists, to help me get back if you want me to come back, to be honest here. So that you have to play a part in that particular arena. The fans would love to see me back here in the Big Bash. And Australia is one of my biggest fan base within the cricket fraternity. Australia is always my favorite destination to travel as well. Even though most of the time I came here because of cricket, but if you check my interviews, Australia was always the number one spot for me to actually come and visit.
There's been personal loss, commercial loss. You've missed out on contracts. I mean, there's a fair bit of money at play here.
Yeah, but I'm not really worried about the money, to be honest with you. It was just more about the character and the damages is actually put towards my name. And hopefully this is not a learning lesson for me, but for sports people, upcoming sports person and current sports persons as well, that you will actually face these sort of challenges within the game. So it's up to yourself. You just have to be mindful and be careful out there. At the end of the day,
can you tell us how much?
What do you think you've lost out of all of this? Can you give us a rough figure?
I haven't lost anything.
But in terms of financial, you said
I get back my character, so I'm happy with that.
Do you have any regrets about the Melbourne Lachlan interview?
You see, that was one of the issues actually brought up, you know what? I'll find her one day and talk to her.
Will you apologise?
Good on you.
Chris, I was going to ask you, for all those people out there, and there are a lot of them, I can tell you, that prejudged you and thought you were guilty, what do you say to them?
I'm a good man, not guilty.
Good on you.
Cheers.
Thanks a lot.
And stories that sometime in 2015, Gayle had exposed himself to her after she left something in the changing room and went back. You understand? Apparently she was looking for it, and Gayle had on a towel and asked her what she had looked for, and pull it towel and asked for that she had looked for. You understand? So she run to the stands and she cried for hours and couldn't eat and them something. Is this girl unknown? What, she never see a penis before? Or I saw Gayle penis big that she only see the top part and she traumatized? You understand what I say? And I am going to add something else to this. I also sense a bit of racial undertone in this.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, 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 beat and teach.
Fairfax has made suggestions that they might appeal. The court will talk about damages to be awarded to Chris Gayle tomorrow, so hopefully he will be smiling all the way to the bank. But more on hold up for a bit here, so too, because you see this is a teachable moment and this should be a lesson for Chris Gayle, because you see Chris Gayle has made himself into a target of opportunity, a soft target, a easy target, because people know him temperament, people know how he is around women, you understand, and then people are going to say especially around white women, because from the Onidome Blush situation to the Leon Russell situation, people know are going to say, okay, you are going now. Gayle is an easy target, so we're going to target him, we're going to try a thing. You see me, I say, see them pull this off here, them fix it up, them cook it up, but the court say them couldn't prove, say Gayle actually do what them say them do, you understand? So the article was published by the Sydney Morning Herald, the Age and the Canberra Times. You understand me, I say, with no basis, them just see the opportunity to go finally sing Chris Gayle and say, them sing themselves. So more Chris Gayle understand, say, here we go on. People have you as a target of opportunity, so watch yourself in general. He said he's fearful now about being around lady, but me figure say Chris only said that because of the situation that dictates at the moment. See, the man love the girls, and that natural, the man is a yard man, but you have to be careful you, because people are trying to set you up. You see me I say? So well done. Hopefully you take them for a lot of what them have, and cause them to learn to say, yo, not because we have a particular race or color means we are fool neither. You see me I say? And you miss Leon Rhymes, you must about Leon Rhymes, Leon Russell, you must feel like a suck out bag juice. My God.
Okay, that's the end of the ride. Then my boys.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.